What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here once more, telling you about the feeling of being in front of a camera. Roll intro. Okay, so recently the Ashe company released a YouTube series called Chill the Series, and I was one of the actors in it. Yay me! I must say that I feel like a boss. You see me? So when I say I feel like a boss, and I'm saying this with chest up high, say yo, it was a good vibe, you know? And all of that was shot in 2018, 2019. And I'm just really sincere, because you know, editing takes time. Being in front of a camera is not easy. It's way different from being in front of your mobile phone. Knowing that you're in front of a camera, saying lines, out of saying lines, the acting part, it has to show on your face. You get me? So you don't want to overact. I never know that was a term. You can overact or underact. You just have to act right. But I played a character called Skids. Me call him Bad Boy Skids. You see me? He's like a Gallus in the series. You see me? So it's a case where him love off the girl named Dora. And I realized that people love his scene. Well, the two of them. Acting, not easy at all. I mean, they think it's easy. Can I just say lines and that's it. But for me, once the camera touched my face, I'm like, I'm supposed to say again. That's it. Then when you have to remember your lines and I say, oh yeah, this is what I'm supposed to say. This is what I'm supposed to say. Yo, remember a part where they in the room and when they say, yeah man, remember the lines them. Yeah, remember the lines them. A driver go up on set. On my way to the set, I'm like, yeah man, lines them lucky in. Yeah. Alright, ready for this. So as me goes so boom, the camera point for me. I'm like, what the I'm supposed to say? But it took time. Being in front of a camera takes time. It really takes time. And anybody who's trying to go in front of a camera to the whole YouTube thing, I guess I am going to tell you this. You have to be in front of it often. Because if you don't do it with amongst a crowd of people, it's gonna be harder for you. Because remember, say what I'm shooting right now is going in front of a crowd of people. So if you don't put out that type of effort in shooting in front of a crowd of people, it's gonna be harder for you because like you don't know how far your YouTube videos are going to reach, and you don't know what can come off it. So I'm gonna make you watch. I make it take him try the scenes them that are acting. Probably yeah, take him try them scene now. And tell me what you think. So like, comment and subscribe for more of Bad Boy Skids. Yeah, I'm just joking. I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.
Excuse me? Since when you show up at my house uninvited?
Come here all the time, and I'm not you.
What do you want, Skids? And why are you stalking me?
No more, and I'm not stalking you.
So what you call this?
New beginning.
So because all of a sudden condoms make sense to you, you show up at my house.
What you say, no condom, no love?
Oh, you are so immature.
I was immature back then. You never have no problem with it. All of a sudden.
Don't go there with me.
Oh, bartender youth.
He's not a bartender.
You know me at all?
He's the owner of the chill spot.
Owner, bartender, all of them I say.
I'm not having this conversation with you and I have nothing else to say.
Really, you know nothing else to say?
I'm done.
Okay.
You're mad. You come to my house and slam door in my face?
Change your mind.
You promise?
I promise.
You promise?
Swear from mother grave.
Your mother not dead.
So you know some serious man I'm to mother. I want to see you one last time.
One last time?
One last time.
Let's make a deal. If you unlock your phone and allow me to read your messages for 10 minutes, then we can have sex one last time without a condom.
You're crazy.
That's what I thought.
You're mad.
Why? Since I'm the only girl you're having sex with, it shouldn't be a problem. Or you don't want me to see the messages from your mother, right?
What I know me alone you have sex with?
I never ever told you that. I told you you were at least consistent.
So we could be consistent one last time.
We can be consistent 100 more times, but with a consistent condom.
You serious?
Goodbye, kids. When you find the time and resources to buy one little condom,
Big condom.
call me.